If your Facebook profile is showing a follow button instead of add friend, don't worry. This usually happens because of your privacy settings, and you can easily fix it. First, open the Facebook app and go to your profile. Now, tap on the menu icon. Then go to Settings and Privacy and open Settings. Here, scroll down and find the option called How People Find and Contact You. Inside this section, look for Who Can Send You Friend Requests. If this is set to Friends of Friends, your profile may show a follow button instead of Add Friend. To fix this, simply change it to Everyone. Now go back and look for the option Who Can Follow Me. Make sure this is set to Public if you still want people to follow you, or you can adjust it based on your preference. Once you update these Facebook settings, your profile will start showing the Add Friend button instead of Follow, especially for new users visiting your profile. So yeah, that's how you fix the Facebook follow button and switch it to Add Friend. If this helped, make sure to check out more Facebook tips and tutorials.